everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video by the title is my decorate with me for spring/Easter. So I filmed this for Valentine's Day and I was super excited about showing you my bedroom during Valentine's Day and in the month of February. But now it is time for spring. I was born in the spring. I was born close to Easter, so I love spring decor and it's just so fun and pretty. I love the colors, the pastels, all of that. So yeah, I decorated my room and I thought you would join me. So I filmed it a little differently for once. So usually I film a time-lapse of me taking down the decor and then putting it up, but this time I actually filmed it piece by piece. Some of it isn't the greatest. It was hard to hang stuff while like holding the camera. Some of it is a little shaky, but I wanted to try something new and it is how it turned out. I thought I would give you the tour now so you can see my bookcase back here. So I moved it from the other wall over there to this wall behind me because I got some furniture from storage and I had to rearrange my room. I didn't really change up anything like decor wise inside the bookshelf, so all my books are still here, all my bags are over here. I just switched them out, so I went with a more pastel pink. Last time it was pink, hot pink, and red. I put all those bags on display because those were Valentine's Day colors, but now they're mostly all pastel pink and then a few hot pink bags. I just changed the top, the sign. This is my first time filming in this setup and I'm super happy with it. Love this backdrop and it's gonna be super fun changing it for all the holidays. So enough blabbing about this side of my room. Let me just tour you around and share with you each detail of everything that I put up in my room. Starting off with my door, I still have the wreath hanger that I've left so I can hang wreath every holiday. So yeah, I forgot I left the tag on this one, but I got it for $5 at the 99-cent store a few years back. So that's the wreath. Then we have this Happy Easter sign that is so cute, so put that on my doorknob. And then moving on to my dresser. So that is what my dresser looks like from far away. I didn't really decorate it too much. I have some bags, some trains, and book up there, and then this is kind of decorated down here. So we have the tinsel up here that's super cute, and then we have a bunny right here, and then this ornament that has a J on it, I believe, that I got at Target, and then a mini picture of me from, I don't know, 3rd or 4th grade. And then we have some random decorations, and then we have more junk. We have my cute little picture that has my name on it, so let me block that, but it has cute pictures of me. So me as a baby, me at 6, and then yeah, there's a vlog about this, but I won't go into detail. That's super cute though. I have these eggs that are gonna go on the footboard of my bed. I had to put batteries in them. They do work, so I can turn them on. See, they have lights on, but I haven't done my bed yet and I'll show that to you later. Then we have the bunny station right here. So this side of the dresser is decorated so cute. I have all my Easter baskets from growing up. I guess I bought a lot of Easter baskets, or my mom did anyway. So we have this one, this one, this one, and this is the one I bought, I don't know, 2 years ago, 3 years ago now when I moved here. So it has the eggs and all that. I remember my mom did an Easter egg hunt before she passed, and these eggs will always be special to me because of that, because even though I was a 27-year-old, she still did an Easter egg hunt for me. So yeah, those are really special to me. So we have that. These bunnies, I wish you can count how many bunnies. I'm gonna give you the task. I'm gonna flash it at the end how many bunnies there are in this bedroom right now, but yeah, there's just so many. And then we have some flowers here, and then more flowers. Another picture of me a teddy bear with my birthstone. It says April. And then we have another bunny on top. He is up sitting on top of the dresser. Move on to my Easter dress. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this for Easter or something else, but it's so pretty and it matches the decor. You saw my Valentine's Day version, so I thought I would display my Easter version. And then we have a cabinet right next to that that has some Easter fun stuff. This was in my mom's living room and in our house growing up, and I got it out of storage, found all her little knickknacks and the cute ones I put on display. So we have some flowers up here, some tulips with eggs. It doesn't quite fit, but it's there. This is her vase that I remember her getting from like a student. She was a teacher, so she got all kinds of student teacher gifts. So that's what a lot of these are. And yeah, so we have a teacher bear, another teacher bear back there, but we have like this Easter thing. I put a sparkly egg, another bunny mug, and then back there, if you can see, we have more Easter decorations and a little fairy swing, I think. I don't know, I thought it matched. So we have the top shelf, and then this isn't really Easter themed. I did put another bunny there, but we have a bear, some different decorations, this pretty like holographic thing, and it has a matching statue in the back, and a cute little puppy. And then down here is a lamp that I haven't put together, and then an Easter Snoopy on top of a piano. So we have that display cabinet, super cute, and I love that I decorated it. Moving on to this side of my room, here is another bunny that I need to put on my bed. You'll see him and the one down there on my bed when I do that shot a little later. And then we have this other peony kind of like branch, bush, whatever plant that I put right here on this pink dresser. And then we have this side of the room. This is where you saw me earlier. This is the backdrop to my videos, and yeah, I put my fan there because it's really hot at the moment. So here is an overview of what my bookcases look like. I'll show you all the details. On top here we have my record player and my setup. So my pink record player that I got for Christmas. It looks so cute. I just have it closed so it doesn't collect dust, but I have some stuff on top of it. And then the record I have displayed at the moment is Little Mixes Between Us because it's the most spring one that I have. So during Valentine's Day I had Taylor Swift's Lover on displayed, so that was very like Valentine's Day themed. But since this has like a lot of flowers, I thought spring pastels, so Little Mix gets the front row. So I find that fun that I have a album hopefully for all the seasons, so I can like switch it out and stuff. So yeah, I have all that there. And then I put some purple gingham bows right here. I was gonna put it on the edge like over there, but I can't really fit them, so I just put them here. And then we have this like flower pot with like eggs, a pink egg, and then this tinsel bunny. I thought that was so cute there. So that is the record player area, but we're gonna focus on this egg garland that I have right here that goes all the way to the end. I had pink and red pom-poms. Now I have these speckled eggs, which is so cute, and the sign in the middle says Happy Spring. We do have this area. We have two more bunnies. These are the most recent ones that I got. I got them at like CVS for, I don't know, 70 cents after Easter one year. I have a Happy Easter plate, and then this sign right here says Easter egg hunt, and we have a golden egg. I mean, I guess I can show my desk. My desk is now in this corner instead of being over here where it previously was. I didn't really do anything with it. It just has my desk essentials. And then we have my bed. I haven't really decorated it yet. I'll explain that in a minute, but I still have my pink hearts on there and my lights. But yeah, we should transform my bed now, I guess. So let's do that. And ta-da! This is what my bed looks like and how it turned out. And here is the last overview of what my bedroom looks like for Easter. So pretty. And then you have this side of my room as well. So there you go. That was everything in my bedroom. I also am going to do my bed. I haven't filmed that yet, but I'm just going to put my pink floral bedding and my floral comforter on. So you'll see that in this clip now. I'll overlay it. I haven't done that yet because I was busy filming a few other videos today. So yeah, I decorated yesterday, didn't get to my bed, thought I would get to it today. I didn't. That is my whole bedroom tour for spring and Easter decorations. I'm super happy with how it turned out, but I couldn't forget a few Easter decorations out in the living room. My living room isn't the prettiest at the moment. I'm still moving furniture around. Excuse the kids in the background. As I was saying, the living room isn't really decorated too much. I just put the Happy Easter sign in the archway of my dining room and kitchen. So that had all the previous banners that said Merry Christmas, Happy Valentine's Day. Now it says Happy Easter. Unfortunately, I don't have any like pastel colored pom-poms to hang in the archways like I did during Christmas and Valentine's. If I do go to the dollar store and they have some, I totally am going to pick some up, and maybe I'll add it into a separate vlog, but that's the only thing missing. I do have these cute little bunnies that have like pom-pom tails that I put in my archway from the entrance going into the living room, and then a sign that says every bunny's welcome. I thought I would put it over there because that's where people walk in and every bunny is welcome. So that is cute. And of course I have my wreath hanging in my window so people can see it when they pass by. I also find this cute little sign that just has a cute little like hippity hoppity bunny that says egg trail or something like that. So yeah, that is the rest of my Easter decorations in the living room. There you have it. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me decorate for spring and Easter. I love decorating for the holidays. I'll make sure to link my Christmas decorate with me, also my Valentine's Day decorate with me down below in the description, as well as what I'm wearing. It's always down there. Also my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, all that I've linked too. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!